In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up and build an email list with Constant Contact. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Constant Contact account and you are on the main dashboard. The goal here is simple. You are going to create a dedicated list, and then you will place contacts into that list so you can email the right people later. Keeping your contacts organized in lists also helps you target messages more accurately and avoid sending emails to the wrong audience. First, look for the Audience menu near the top of the screen. Click the Audience drop-down, and then select Lists and Segments. This area is where Constant Contact lets you manage groups of contacts, so it is the right place to start whenever you need a new list or want to organize subscribers. Once you are on the Lists and Segments page, move to the top right corner. Click Create New. A menu will open with different options for what you can create. Select List, and then click Continue. This tells Constant Contact that you are creating a new container specifically for contacts. Next, you will name your list. Choose a name that clearly describes who the list is for, because you may create more lists over time. For example, you might name it based on where contacts came from, or what they are interested in. Keep it short, specific, and easy to recognize later when you are choosing audiences for an email campaign. After you enter the name, click Save. At this point, your list is created, and you are ready to add people to it. Now you can upload contacts into your new list, or you can select contacts that already exist in your Constant Contact account. If you are uploading, double-check that your contact information is clean and accurate before you bring it in. That means removing duplicates when possible and confirming that names and email addresses are spelled correctly. If you are choosing existing contacts, make sure you select only the people who belong in this specific group, so your list stays organized from the start. After you add or select your contacts, review the list to confirm it contains the right people. A well-labeled list with accurate contacts makes future email sends faster and more reliable. That covers everything you need to know.